course, we're at Steakhouse. Was this worth the canceled flight?
No.
Alright boys, first vlog. We are trapped in Germany. Our flight got canceled and we don't have a checked bags. My checked bag supposedly still in SeaTac. We have nothing, so we are going to this Germany H&M. There is a sale in there. Germany seems pretty diverse, like the States. Hey, Abercrombie? We're looking for clothes. We don't got anything. Oh, Abercrombie and Finch, bro. We got a veteran employee here. Does this count work internationally?
No, it does not.
See right now. Oh, ooh. Welcome to Asia. Just went to the Asian supermarket. We got this juice bottle. Life in Germany. It's going good so far. Salvaging the trip. Yeah, we went to some underground grocery store. Now we're going back up. What do we think?
2 hours ago. Yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, we got this. We got this. We got view. Salvaging this trip. Dang, we're gonna enter Asia.
You just want to walk inside? Or you gonna translate?
Look at this. Professional.
No.
We're at Bellevue Botanical Garden site. It's actually Germany, but it's a Chinese and garden.
Weird, eh? Germany has had the most Asian stuff I've ever seen in the entirety of Europe.
Pretty much.
Like the most, and it's not even. Oh my gosh, it's me.
Ooh. Dude. Oh my god.
Alright. Okay. Let's see. That's cool.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Yeah. Ooh.
This is for the camera. I think it's better here.
Yeah.
So here, choosing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. First, you eat this one.
Okay.
This is the middle. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the middle. It's better. So, then I put.
Woo!
Like I'm that I could appropriated the culture.
Dude, it's like the Red Square UW. It's Leavenworth times 100.
I've never been to Leavenworth.
Frankfurt looks just like Bellevue. We're in
from the couch.
ooh. Hard at work. Oh man, we're in some Nordstrom copycat.
Five Guys. Really? Yes.
Wow, there's a Five Guys here.
The Florence.
Just landed. Jeez. We finally made it to Italy.
Let's go.
After Lufthansa Zero, one of the worst movies ever made.
Hopefully no sequels.
Oh my god, yeah, cancel the sequel, it gets no budget. Ooh.
Apple store.
Stop real quick.
Yeah.
Ooh, it knows to stop, to avoid cars. Woo!
Here they are.
Oh my. Yeah, that guy's getting slayed. Alright, we're gonna go to church, pray that the rest of the trip will be okay. Got lots of statues. Si fatto. These guys were pretty ripped back then.
Just a little wooden brick.
We about to get some gelato right now. Courtney Pillis, the tour guide. He's a local here.
Hello, I'm from Bonjour.
Wrong language.
That's the right leg.
My avogadro. That's a gelato. Avocado what?
Avocado.
Avogadro.
Avocado.
Hey, it's flickering. Avogadro. Avocado.
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 Yeah. This one. You all got it? Yeah, that's pretty much kind of what I want. If I want to support this trip, so like, they're kind of scary.
We're here in this restaurant called, what is it called? Nuti. We got some steak, we got some pasta,
Holy God,
and we got the bros. We got the bros. Full 360. Waiting on our food. We have no reservation. We got all attitude. Mr. Courtney Pillig will show us how to eat bread in Italy.
It's like when you go to Dichai Fong and you make your own sauce. Or not Dichai Fong, what's it called? Dozo. You make your own sauce. It's very simple. Or Hai Di Lao. I've never been to Hai Di Lao.
Preferred piece of
Good
bread.
service. Good service. There's like a bunch of Hai Di Laos. Yeah. There's like probably like 2 or 3.
Amazing, yeah. Get that sauce, bro. Get the Tuscan sauce.
It looks amazing.
Let's go. What's up, Lex?
It's hot though. Good.
It's meat, charred.
It's charred. Yeah, charred meat. Good thing. Good thing.
Very good. Very good. Diaball sizzling, bro. Oh my god.
Good for you, Andrew. They let us pick the temperature.
Oh my god.
Maybe medium.
Oh my god. Yo, that's perfect for me. This is the perfect for me.
Bro, can I enjoy my meal, bro?
Well, your face. This is the strongest out of all the.
This is a lot.
Day 4 in Florence. Oh wait, no. Day 1 in Florence. We made most out of it. We ate the Michelin star. I still don't have my baggage. I'm out here surviving with these guys.
Got some good steak though. We got some.
Oh yeah, the steak was good. Very good.
We got some leather products today. We got some good photographs.
Good
Overall,
views.
Today is a dub. Yeah, good views. Got a museum, free museum.
We salvaged this trip as best we could.
Still privileged to be here.
Tomorrow we're going to Rome. Hopefully I get my luggage by tomorrow. But that is still to be determined. I might just have to buy everything again.
Well, I hope not.
I hope I get it at least before we leave Rome, bro.
Yeah.
Oh.